really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an all-day clean with me. I had tons that I needed to get done on this day. So because our spring break is looking a whole lot different than what we had intended it to be, I wanted to take the first few days to just get the house in order. I was really behind on a lot of cleaning. During the work week, I get as much as I can done, but I do the bare minimum. I don't do deep clean, and when I try to fit in a little bit of spring cleaning, it's on the weekend if we're not busy. So I thought I would take this time to just catch up on the cleaning and get the house in order and just make it feel a little bit more comfortable since we're going to be home a lot longer than we expected. I am also really excited to share that this video is a collaboration with Amanda from MrsCookCleans. I recently found her channel and I love her cleaning motivation videos, and I love the way that she films and she does all of her angles. She's so creative. You can also find her on Instagram at itsMrsCookCleans. She does a lot of cleaning motivation over there on Instagram also, so be sure to check her out. And when you're done with my video, head on over to her channel, let her know that I sent you, and show her lots of love. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me,
So I'm not sure how it is for you. Let me know down in the comments below. But how are you adjusting to this whole social distancing thing? I know that this is not how we saw our spring break going. But you know, it is out of our control, and it is in our best interest to stay home, and our family's best interest to stay home, and you know, to protect our loved ones and others. I am all for our family doing our part, and we've already talked to my daughter and she is really understanding about what's going on, and we're just trying to make sure that right now our home is a safe place where the kids can feel safe and we can all be relaxed and just feel like we can unwind and make some memories together while we're home. I won't lie, if I've said 1,000 times when I'm going to work, I wish I had a little bit more time to clean or to rest. And you know what? I am getting that time now, and I am trying to balance out getting some rest, getting some cleaning done, spending time with my kids, and I am really enjoying it. Although the part where we cannot leave the house is a little bit difficult still.
I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
So you're going to notice that in parts of these videos I am wearing one glove, or maybe I'm wearing both gloves. Right now I'm wearing just the one glove because I'm using that rag. That spray that I'm using, the Lysol multi-purpose spray, it does have bleach in it, so that really irritates your hands, and I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't messing my hands up as I was trying to do a little bit of disinfecting.
Yeah. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the
Since I don't have a little entry table, you're gonna see here on the counter where I am keeping a few essentials. I love this Tide antibacterial fabric spray. I've been using it on the couch, and then you can see the Lysol wipes I've been using to wipe down my husband's wallet and keys when he comes in, and then the Lysol spray I have been using for like the shoes or anything that I can't wipe down with the Lysol wipe. So I still haven't gotten my robot vacuum fixed. I do have the shipping label so that I can ship the vacuum to the company and see if they can fix that tire track. Hopefully they can fix it. If not, it is under warranty. But this is what my floor looks like when I don't have the robot vacuum. You can just see the pile of dust on the floor. And because the floors are dark, you can see everything, all of the crumbs that just pile up on the floor all day.
They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium, me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,
So normally you won't see me clean the floor with bleach, but I did put a little bleach in the water this time around. I just wanted to make sure that I gave the floor a good clean and disinfecting, especially now that the kids are in the house all day and every once in a while we accidentally come in with our shoes. Even though we try not to, we try to leave them in the laundry room, but every once in a while it does happen, and we're trying to be more mindful of this, especially since the kids have not gotten sick, and I'm just so grateful for that. So I'm trying to keep them healthy and just trying to keep the family healthy, especially since we're cooped up at home. You don't want to be making unnecessary trips to the doctor's office, so I am just trying to disinfect and clean what I can.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark,
I did notice after I brought the recycling bin back in that the trash can was not smelling very good, and although it wasn't really full, I wasn't going to take it out, and then I decided to take it out, and you can see how dirty it was.
Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
After I was done cleaning the floor, I went into the kids' bathroom because I had really neglected this bathroom. During the school week and the work week, it just gets put on the back burner, so I wanted to make sure that I gave their bathroom a good clean and got it really nice and disinfected for them also.
Feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. drive a faster car.
Because I was cleaning all day, you're going to see me head back to the dishwasher. I had put some dishes to wash from the night before that I didn't get to put to wash, so I put them to wash while I was cleaning up, and they were done, and then it was time to go ahead and get those put away. I recently saw another YouTuber using this Tide antibacterial spray a few weeks ago, and I thought that I would try it out, and I am in love with it. It smells amazing, and it says it's antibacterial, so I love to use it for the couch and just any fabrics that may smell or need some disinfecting. And the last thing that you're going to see me do is just wipe down a few doorknobs that I wanted to make sure that I got cleaned up and disinfected before I wrapped it up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to go over to Amanda's channel and check out her video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.